Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, and if you were paying attention, we just kind of went through how to just create like simple images with as memes for your advertisements, and I was able to do this. I have some data now, and what I want to do is I want to kind of share with you some of this data, and then what we're going to do next once we have it. So, if you remember last time, you can go back and watch the video. I have a short version, I have a long version. We collected some data on how to write good ads, how to prepare them for Facebook, and then we did some meme research on popular memes, stuff that every Karen on Facebook is just absolutely loving right now. And now what I was able to do is I was able to launch some of these. And so what you'll see is it hasn't spent a lot of money yet, but our click-through rate is really high. It's almost 10%, and we're only paying $1.50 a piece, which is pretty solid. Now, what we're going to do now is I have some more stuff running it through here, which is probably going to start winning, but we found this little winner here. So I'm going to preview this. I'm going to show you how to turn this winning advertisement into a landing page. All right. So this is what we're going to do. We have a clear winner here, 34 clicks, 10% click-through rate, 1.34, $1.34 for all the clicks. No results yet, but that's fine. So let's have a look. We're going to click the preview page. Now here's the entire ad. So what we're going to do is we're going to go advanced preview. So me spending $6 on bottled hydrogen water, me making unlimited H2 water at home for $1.10 a day. So it looks pretty good. So now we're going to grab this copy. So we're going to go into edit. We're going to grab the winning copy, which is down here. Here's the primary text. So let's open up a thing. We'll do it in a new chat. And then we're going to go into the cloud desktop and say, hey, I have a winning ad on Facebook. I want you to help me turn the meme and its contents and the winning description and headline into a landing page. Use Robert Cialdini as the inspiration for the landing page. We're just keeping this super simple. Here is the winning ad. Down here, we're going to go winning ad. We're going to go image. The image is grumpy dog, happy dog. Image meme, 1. Side 1. Grumpy puppy says, me spending $6 a day on hydrogen water. Oh, says, let's see. Side 2. Smiling puppy. Me making unlimited H2 water at home for $1.10 a day. And then the headline, the $2 glass of water that's replacing $200, what does it say? $200 what? Just $200, okay. And then we'll put primary text. go down here, / winning ad, hit it. All right. Awesome. This is working it out. Now I'm going to tell you right away, I forgot to give it the right instructions. We're going to ask for this again in inline code. You can tell that this is not inline code because it's doing a full CSS section. And then it's going to give us like the individual section. So this is styling, right? Authority section, this is how it's supposed to be. Scientific badge, this is how it's supposed to look. And then instead of having this in the section, it'll just say .scientific badge, and then I'll say backed by science as an example. We don't want that. We're going to switch it up. So that way we can just straight up copy and paste it as a landing page. It's just a lot faster. It allows us to test really quick. We can have a lot more fun with it. And that's what I'm here to show you, just how to save money and make money. So this is kind of how it looks. Social proof, clear value urgency, claim your prize. Okay, so now let's make sure it's going to the right sales page. So now what we're gonna do is make sure it has the right sales page. So we're gonna go, hey, can you write this in inline HTML code and direct all CTAs to this page, which is the product page. Okay. So now it's giving me this in inline code, which is a little different. You can see immediately. It's making all the artifacts. And now we're going to pump this into a Divi builder, which is pretty easy to do, not too crazy. There you go. I feel like I need to give it some more information. Maybe we don't. I mean, I'm going to give it the original landing page research. But I like this. I don't want to mess with this actually. So we're just going to go with this. So now we go here. We're going to have a look at the code. And then we are going to go to where we are actually editing this, which is cool right here. So let's switch it over. Okay. Now we're editing this stuff. So we're just going to, there's a bit of me just kind of going back and forth here. Yeah, it's keeping it simple. I think it's something like that. Yeah, we'll go like that. Cool. Let's edit this to be, this isn't the super easy part, but I'll show you the easy part is coming up right here. I'm just going to change this to be centered. And then we're going to change this. I just really like this super broad way of doing it. And then we're going to do, we'll keep those. And now here's the code. You can see this. So we're going to go back here. This is the code, right? So I don't think I want all of this just done. I don't think it did what I want it to do. Yeah, I don't think it really listened to me. It has been getting like super lazy recently. So we're just gonna like make it do it one more time. But you can see here, this is, when you click on it, it breaks down into this code. And this code is what we're going to be switching out, because this code, when you click out of it, turns into this, right? So we don't need to do much here. Once this is set up, we're going to go like this. The heading. So I have $2 glass of water. That's that. We'll grab this. Let's just go grab all this. Okay. Grab all this, come down here, click here, all, paste. Oh. There you go. And then it's all coded up. I'm going to delete rid of this one, get rid of this one, get rid of this one. We'll keep that. We'll keep that. We'll keep that. We'll keep that. Click save. And that's it. And now we have a page which is ready to go. And you can see it looks pretty good. It all goes to the right place. You can see this is doubled. So I do have to confirm that. We'll save that. Cool. Now, just because this is like pretty good, discovery, 48 hours left. Pretty good. Confidence, save, save, save. Okay. Cool. And now we have a full page done here. So now I can just go and pump this right back into whatever I happen to be working on. So anyways, guys, that was it. I just took the URL. I put it back into the advertisement for what I was working on. And I mean, Bob's your uncle. You're good to go. So if you watched the end, thank you so much. You're an absolute legend. Remember to like and subscribe. The subscribe button's going to be over here. A video that YouTube thinks you're going to like is going to be right over here. And it would mean the world to me for you to drop a like or even just say hi in the comments. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. See you later.